Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today, I'll show you how to add a payment method on Binance, specifically for buying crypto with cash using bank transfers or card payments. First, log into your Binance app. Tap on the Buy Crypto button on the home screen, then select Link New Payment. Next, you'll see different options like bank transfer, credit/debit card, or local payment methods. Select the one you want to set up. Then, follow the on-screen instructions. For a bank card, you'll need to enter your card number, expiry date, and CVV code. For bank transfer, you may need to verify your identity and add your bank account details. After that, Binance will securely save this information. For cards, they might place a small temporary hold to verify it's active. Once added, you can use this payment method for quick, one-tap purchases of Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other cryptocurrencies directly on the platform. You're now ready to easily fund your Binance account. If this guide simplified your crypto buying process, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.